Welcome back. This is Jacob Milliken, Head of Research at 9M Investments, and today I'm going to be diving into March private performance. As you know, with March, with the private investments that I currently use with clients, Blackstone REIT, Moving Global Cities REIT, Blackstone's private credit. This month was a tough month for the REITs. Now, some would say, that is kind of catching up from last year versus the public REITs. But interestingly enough, the actual underlying performance of collecting rents, property values has actually been steady. Both of these funds were hit with a kind of a setback on interest rate hedges. What took for Blackstone was over 1%. In Global Cities, it was a little over 1% as well. So it's still very strong. Demographics are still very good for both of these moving forward. Pieces of the market where they're have access or have exposure still will do well in the long terms. Again, demographics and some of the transitions in real estate still feel very strong. But unfortunately, in March, it was down a little bit. And you see year to date, Blackstone down 0.5%, and Global Cities down 1.5% so far this year. Dividends still steady, 4.5, 5.41. And as a lot of my clients, we use this also as an income factor. Does especially well in taxable accounts where this dividend is primarily tax-free. Blackstone private credit had another solid month. Year to date, up 3.3%. Actually raised the dividend a little bit again from 10.1 to 10.2. Again, as this loan portfolio continues to move forward, even though interest rates have reset for most of these, there are still portfolios within there where they actually have some room to grow based on LIBOR and so forth right now. So we expect to see this to do fairly strong. Quality on these loans is still very good. No defaults so far within this fund's history. So still very strong there. Looking at it from a equities versus bond portion of building out a portfolio, this was definitely real estate was definitely down versus some of the equities over the March time period. But even then, the volatility that you get from these kind of helps weigh some of the volatility we saw in March from equities and even bonds. Looking forward to adding some new private investments for next month. Be able to kind of show you some of the different things that we have on our approved list. If you have any questions about this particular month or anything that we can help you with, feel free to check in below. Have a great day. Thanks.